All right, here's how to host a great LinkedIn Live event. Step one is you're going to want to make sure you're eligible. So click Me, then View Profile. And then the only way you're eligible is if you have over 150 followers. So make sure you get to 150 connections or followers. Once you have that, you're going to discover something called Creator Mode is available to be turned on under Resources in your profile. If it's off, just go through the basic steps to turn it on. It's real simple. And once it's on, click into it and scroll down to Creator Tools. You should see LinkedIn Live. Now that you're eligible, let's go ahead and launch a LinkedIn Live event by going to View Profile and your company page. You can only launch and create events from your company page in the admin view. Once you're an admin of your company page, scroll down to the left and you'll see Manage. Then you're going to click the plus sign next to Events, and you're going to describe your event here and put everything about it. Make sure it's compelling and persuasive. You're going to want to upload a cover photo. This is a bad one. This is just an example. And then select your event format. LinkedIn does have audio events similar to how Twitter has audio. But for this, we're going to use LinkedIn Live, which is pretty much their internal tool, although you will need to get another tool called StreamYard, which LinkedIn partnered with. Or if you do like a Zoom event, you can also just paste the Zoom link here. But let's do a LinkedIn Live, and let's name our event something persuasive, and then select the time zone it's in and the start date. Let's just pretend it's Friday. Of course, I recommend at least a couple weeks before your event starts for creating it. And then I'm going to come down here and click Use LinkedIn Registration Form. This is so that you can download the attendee details on a CSV list, so you can upload it to a tool like Apollo and email them after the event to try to upsell them or whatever. Just paste some sort of policy link in here so LinkedIn will let you go live. I'm just going to post this for now. And then make sure you describe your event persuasively here with a little bullet points on exactly what's going to be covered, blah, blah, blah. Oh, whoops. Just going to go ahead and grab a full link and see if that works. Okay. So you're going to need a privacy policy link, which we have here. Paste this in. Yep, and then you'll click speakers. So another way to get a ton of attendees is not just host events yourself, have a co-host or two. So let's just pretend I have a few speakers here. And you're going to click next. And then LinkedIn will direct you to share the event. So just write something persuasive, blah, 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 and then click post. Once you click post, this is how you gather attendees. There'll be a button that your viewers see that says attend. Once they click attend, there's going to be another button that says add to calendar. Therefore, your viewers can become attendees in one click and add it to their calendar, and LinkedIn will automatically send them notifications leading up to the event. This is way better than a Zoom event because you have to manually send reminders over email or through Zoom's backend settings. But anyways, LinkedIn sends these for you leading up to the event. That's all you need to do other than promote your event. Once you click post here, you will get an event link that you can share over email or any other channel you use to reach viewers. Okay, so once it's posted, I'm not going to post an event right here because I'm not trying to host one right now. You're going to go to StreamYard, and you're going to need to connect StreamYard to LinkedIn in order to do the actual broadcast when the day comes for your event. So in order to do that, get a StreamYard account, and then it's going to direct you to add a destination, link your LinkedIn page here by just clicking and going through the steps, blah, blah, blah. And then go to broadcasts and then click create broadcast, live stream, add a destination, LinkedIn page. Again, it's going to direct me here. Just go through the process. It's a couple very simple steps, and now you'll be connected. Now let's fast forward to the day of your event. When it's the day of your event, you're going to see the broadcast here, and you're going to click a button called Enter Event, and then another button that says Go Live. Once you're live, it's going to be live in StreamYard, and people can comment on your stream, and you can reply in LinkedIn, not in StreamYard. Okay, so it'll go live, and then as soon as it's live, all your attendees will get an automated notification from LinkedIn that the event is live with a link to join. Very, very simple. And then once the event is over, LinkedIn will share all those analytics and the list with you to download the CSV list, how many viewers you had, blah, blah, blah. From our experience, about 30% of people who become or register for your event actually show up, and then a smaller portion of those actually stick the whole way. So make sure your event delivers a ton of value fast so people stick around. But that is how you host a complete live event using LinkedIn and StreamYard. This seems complicated, but it's way easier than doing a live webinar on your own with other tools, and it's easier to promote to all your LinkedIn followers. Hope that was helpful.